So the first module we'll start with is material control. And before we get into the technical details of the module, let's talk a little bit about the purpose of the module. So there are a few different aims of this module. First, the goal is to enable complete visibility of materials on the shop floor and in the warehouse. The second related goal is to make sure that you have the right material in the right place at the right time to optimize your operations. And finally, it aims to enable precise procurement, in other words, to avoid purchasing excess material while at the same time avoiding material shortages. And there are several features within this module to provide for complete control of material throughout the factory, including inventory management, kitting control, LCR control, quarantine control, and time-sensitive material control. And to take this one step further, this connectivity and material data synchronization can be used to add value using closed-loop machine-to-machine communication between material storage towers and placement machines. So the way this works is Cogiscan is monitoring the quantities of all the material in use on the placement machines in real time. The Cogiscan platform also knows which material is available in which storage towers, and so when parts are running low on the placement machine, Cogiscan can automatically send a material request to the appropriate tower containing that part and trigger the tower to dispense the correct reels for replenishment. And if any of these automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, are in use to transport the reels to the placement machines, then Cogiscan can feed the machine information to those vehicles via the tower so that the AGV can know where it needs to bring the reels to. And so in this way you can use the Cogiscan platform to enable just-in-time material replenishment of the line and avoid line stoppages from running out of material, all while minimizing the involvement of human labor. So this stands as a really powerful example of how Cogiscan can be used to implement real concrete value through digitalization.